Hello, I'm Francine Lewis. I'm very excited today because I get my brand new Palladio door. So I've had this door since I moved in, which is about 15 years. As you can see, there's cracks all in it, all the paint's chipped. Oh, that's awful there, all the scratches on the door. It just looks really worn, and obviously the house itself looks great with all the brickwork and everything, and I just think the door really lets it down. I just can't wait to change it. Yeah, it's all looking transformed already. Chiltern Doors, who are here, who are doing a fantastic job. So thank you very much. Fitting my new Palladio door. And here is my brand new Palladio door installed by Chiltern Doors. Honestly, it is incredible. This is the Milan door. We went for a really beautiful, as you can see, shade of grey. I just love all the silver lines through it. I love this big handle and the glass. The glass for me was really what I was looking for, a door with glass around the sides, just so it looks a lot more airy, a lot more brighter from the inside. See, I get a lot of light shining on my front door, so these doors are stain free, so I'm not going to get a discolour from the sun, which I did have before. Inside, it keeps all the heat in. You get a 12-year guarantee. Yeah, I just love everything about this door. It's just changed everything from the front. I just want to say a massive thank you, and yeah, your doors are magnificent.